Now, today's filing will set off a chain of events as the FDA and its independent advisors debate if these shots are ready. If so, still another government group will then have to decide how the initial limited supplies are rationed out to Americans who are anxiously awaiting a vaccine. Now, how much vaccine is available and when? Well, that's a moving target, but initial supplies will be scarce and rationed. Globally, Pfizer has estimated it could have 50 million doses available by year's end. About 25 million may be available for the U.S. use in December, 30 million in January, 35 million more in February and March. Now, that is according to information that was presented to the National Academy of Medicine this week. That's where we're getting those numbers from. Now, do remember, recipients need 2 doses 3 weeks apart. Now, in the next few days, Moderna also expected to ask the FDA for emergency use of its vaccine. We've been talking about this, right? Just yesterday, AstraZeneca and Oxford University, they're now in phase 3 of their vaccine trials. That new data just came out from phase 2 of their trial, showing that it provides an immune response in adults, including those over 70 years old, and they expect their results by Christmas. Now, a short time ago, take a look at your screen there. That's Pfizer's CEO tweeting, 248 long days and nights, 150 active clinical trial sites, 43,661 courageous volunteers, thousands of dedicated Pfizer and BioNTech group, and the hope of billions, all leading to one historic moment. Pfizer proud of our FDA submission today. So how soon can these vaccines help or at least slow the coronavirus? Right now on The New Normal, we're speaking with Dr. Maria Carney. Dr. Carney is the Chief of Geriatric and Palliative Medicine at Northwell Health. She's a professor at the Zucker School of Medicine and the former Nassau County Commissioner of Health. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, thanks so much for joining us. And do remember, we want you to be part of our conversation. So head now to our Facebook pages. We are streaming the show there, and you can add your questions or your comments and be part of this show. All right, so let's start with this race for a cure and this latest move by Pfizer. Obviously, when we talk about this, one of the potential stumbling blocks for the Pfizer vaccine is the requirement of that ultra cold storage. The shots have to be stored at minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yes, this is a really unique situation. We have to learn more about it and the requirements, but once that FDA approval comes through, we will be able to open up the distribution. Very interesting. It's going to be a barrier in terms of disseminating it safely and accurately.
But this messenger RNA that both Moderna and Pfizer are using, I mean, this is historic stuff.
This is brand new technology, never been done before. It's one of the reasons we believe that it's been done quite rapidly. Historically, this has never been used. It's quite complex, and the information coming out, we're eager to get it because it has not been widely disseminated, the study results and how they came about.
So for